liposuction or tummy tuck, which procedure is good for me? We get lot of enquiries asking about these two procedures, and I am going to explain to you in greater detail about liposuction as well as tummy tuck. I am Dr. Parag Telang, consultant cosmetic plastic surgeon and director of designer bodies, our Center for Advanced Cosmetic Surgery in Mumbai. Liposuction is a modality to get rid of excess fat pockets using very tiny punctures, using something called as a cannula, which is like a thin tube which is inserted in the fat pockets to drain out this fat. Liposuction is a procedure for individuals who are not grossly overweight, those who have finished their weight loss and they are now at an ideal body weight, and sometimes they still have some pockets which are resistant to diet and exercise. Tummy tuck is ideally a procedure done after the childbearing is complete or after the weight loss is complete. So in tummy tuck, we can remove this excess skin flap from lower portion of the abdomen and give a very contoured look to the tummy. Liposuction is a procedure for individuals who have a very good skin tone so that the skin can shrink on its own, whereas tummy tuck is a procedure where the skin has lost its tone or there are stretch marks in lower part of the tummy where the skin needs to be tucked by doing a small incision in lower part of the abdomen. First, let me explain to you in greater detail about liposuction. The fat in our body exists in solid form. These fat cells need to be first liquefied before we can remove them from our body. So in liposuction, there is a tumescent fluid which is first infiltrated to liquefy this fat, and the fat globules or fat droplets are then removed using tiny cannulae to suction out fat from stubborn areas of fat pockets. In liposuction, there is no skin removal. We depend on the elasticity of the skin to tone and to give you a good contoured shape. In liposuction, now we have a modality which is called as laser liposelection, where we use ultrasonic energy to get rid of excess fat from specific areas of the body. Ultrasonic energy is a very safe energy. It is used to liquefy the fat in our body and then it is suctioned out using tiny cannulae. We find that with liposuction done using ultrasonic modality, the skin contraction is that much better and the overall result is that much more superior. Tummy tuck is a surgical procedure which is normally for women post pregnancies or for those who have lost lot of weight. What happens is when we lose weight, we are able to get rid of the fat, but the skin still remains as a loose flab in lower abdomen. To get rid of this lower flab, there is an incision which is taken in the bikini area. The internal muscles are tightened so that the abdomen gets a very flat contour and the excess skin is then removed from lower part of the belly. At the same time, the navel is repositioned to a new location and this entire procedure is called as abdominoplasty or tummy tuck. Liposuction of small areas such as the double chin or specific small portions of our body can either be done under local anesthesia or with sedation. Tummy tuck is a surgery which is done either under general anesthesia or under regional anesthesia. The recovery time after a liposuction is usually 5 to 6 days, where there is initially some amount of soreness, there may be some bruising in specific areas of the body, and you need to wear a body corset 24 hours for 6 weeks. The skin tones up gradually and you can see good results after 4 to 6 weeks after your liposuction. Tummy tuck is a surgical procedure. In this, there will be a padded dressing applied on the incision line. Of course, we don't take any sutures on the skin now. The sutures are all internal and dissolving sutures. So the recovery is normally going to take around 8 to 10 days. After the stitches have healed, you can gradually resume your daily exercises and normal routine. In terms of seeing the final effect or final result, you need to have at least 4 to 6 weeks of time before you can see the final results of your tummy tuck. Now that we are talking about results, a lot of people ask me how long the results will last. Well, with liposuction, the fat removal which is done from a specific area of the body is near complete. These fat cells are removed to a more than 80-85%. So regaining fat in those areas does not happen immediately. If a person maintains a healthy lifestyle, eats proper food and does exercise regularly, you can easily maintain the results of your liposuction for many years. Tummy tuck is of course something which is done at the end of your weight loss or after pregnancies. So the results of tummy tuck also remain for many years. the loose skin or the stretch marks have been produced by pregnancy or weight loss, and this kind of changes are not going to happen in the skin again. So the results remain for many years. I would also like to bring to your notice that none of these procedures are for weight loss. These are body contouring procedures to get the body into a proper shape. Liposuction will give you very good inch loss, and the results can be maintained by following a healthy diet and exercise, and tummy tuck can give you a very good shape, and you can maintain these results by exercising regularly. Whether you are a good candidate for liposuction or tummy tuck would depend upon your individual requirements. If you found this video to be informative, click on the like button. You can click on the bell icon to get notifications as we upload new videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the same. For any comments on liposuction or tummy tuck, do write to us in the comment box, and we will be happy to reply to your comments. Thank you.